In this video, I'll show you how to access the Nintendo eShop on your Nintendo Switch 2. Here you can shop for games, DLC and more. Step 1. Connect to the internet. Make sure your Switch 2 is connected to Wi-Fi. Go to System Settings and then go to Internet to check your connection. Step 2. Open the eShop. From the home menu, select the orange shopping bag icon labeled Nintendo eShop. Just click on it and then wait for the eShop to load. Step 3. Sign in with your Nintendo account credentials. If you don't have an account, then follow the prompts to create one. Step 4. Browse or search. Use the search bar or browse categories to find games, DLC, and deals. You can also check out featured and recommended titles. Step 5. Purchase and download the games that you want. Downloads will start automatically after your purchase. And that's how you use the Nintendo eShop. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, and if you have any questions you can leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to help you.